Welcome to my unboxing review of the Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista espresso machine. We're adding this into the mix. See how we can get some good espresso at home. Looks like we have a little recipe guide and an instruction manual. It's packaged very thoroughly so that it does not come broken, apparently, which is nice. Milk frother, lots of tape. Okay, there's a sticker on here that says, remove red plug from the bottom of the reservoir before use. Unit must be primed prior to first use, so it's important to read the manual for that. And I will be doing that later on in this video. These are the accessories. So you've got your area to put the coffee in, or the espresso. Everybody, I'd like you to meet my cat, Chloe. She fancies herself a reviewer, so she decided she was going to help us today. Your scoop and an extra cup. I think this is for the different sizes of grounds. Sure. I'm not sure if there's a secret to getting this out of the handle, but I'll figure that out and let you guys know later. This is the red plug that the sticker was referring to. So, and it's just a nice little silicone, so it pops out real easy, but you want to make sure you absolutely remove that before trying to use the espresso machine. And there you have it, the unboxed Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista espresso machine. Okay, a couple things I wanted to just touch base on that I had questions about was, number one, getting this piece to stay on this little black tube here. It is a little confusing for me, at least. There wasn't any real instruction in the book, but if you look at the black tube, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this on the camera, but there's a ridge here And on the metal tube, there is like an indentation in here. So basically, just take that indentation, put it on there, and then twist, and it locks into place. So that was all there was to that. Then you just pop this in the milk frother, and that's how it goes on the espresso machine. Then my other question when I was first opening the package was, how do I get this out of here? And there is a little notch right here, and there's a little notch inside, and you just have to turn it till it lines up, and then you pop it out. There's this little clip here on the handle. You can use that to kind of, you know, give yourself something to hold on to when you're putting it in without having to touch the metal. At least that's what I'm assuming that's for. This is a first time for me to ever use an espresso machine, so I'm kind of learning as I go along.